Today I'm trying out Pinterest inspired hairstyles on this hair. Actually, this is a hairstyle. The one called a messy bun, or am I kidding myself? Yo, but first, there's something we need to do to this hair. Yo, my scalp is crying. Yo guys, if you know how I can actually make my scalp better, it's so dry. I usually moisturize my scalp every single time. I am sick of this. I don't know what product to use. I don't know what's wrong with my scalp. Okay, so first, one ninapaka maji. I don't know if this is actually the best thing to do. Let me just show you. Let me walk through you. Let me walk you through what I usually do, so that in case I usually do it wrongly, you just correct me, okay? Just sprinkle water to my scalp. Oh my god, it's usually so... dang it! I love this. Yo! After sasa kujipaka maji nasikianga kujikuna. Yo, I usually do this after like 2 days. Yeah, kujinini scalp after every 2 days. Yo, na si ati hata inatoa uchafu, so you can see haitoi uchafu, ni kujikuna. I'm just having an itchy scalp. After ensuring that every single part of the scalp imepata hiyo maji, I usually take this oil. Maybe it's the one messing me up, but I don't know. This baby oil, immediately when I apply it, it works. But after some time, it drains to my scalp and my scalp gets dry again. When I apply coconut oil, the same thing happens. So I'm not sure of the type of oil or what I should do on my scalp, or is it the kind of shampoo that I'm using that is making my scalp to behave that way? I'm not sure. But if you have suggestions, please suggest them down below. Or if there is a brand, that you know that I can work with to maybe like I help them in marketing, at the same time I help myself to better my scalp, that would be so useful.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony, left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since I've been high. I've been high. Lately I've been
Yes, now the whole hair imewekwa and the itchiness is over. Like nimeacha kusikia itchy. Sasa nasikia the menthol feeling. Nasikia aka breeze. Okay, there's a part sijapaka ndio maana nasikia kujikuna. Aya, for the curls naweza tumia maji ama mousse, but mousse is expensive compared to water, so I just apply water. See, they look good as new. They have been here for I even my hair on 18th and 19th, and today is on 2nd. I've been having my hair for 2 weeks, and see the curls, see them?
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
I believe these are the first hairstyles that you're going to try. So let's try them. Although I don't understand them, but I'm trying to get trying. What? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Let's try that. Okay, the first one, it's so simple, I guess. Is it like high up?
Go, 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 yo, go, go.
That's the first style. Is it giving? Next! Wait, should we have done some edges? Not bad, right? What am I doing? On to the next hairstyle. Tuesday. Alright. This is a difficult one. Yo, how is it done? So from my understanding, it's the same thing that I had done, but with a little bit of twist. The little twist. So tunachukua hizi nywele zenye ziko hapa mbele.
Go, hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Yay! Wow, this is so nice. I do love this hairstyle. Girl, you know I've not been doing hairstyles. Like, I've just been doing my hair and leaving it the way it is. I think I'll be doing more braids. Cause yo, girl, I love this. Yo, look at that. Hey, yo. I just got electrocuted. Hey, I love this. Although I'm not sure if it was supposed to be tucked in, but I just improvised because there's no tutorial to it. So yeah, this is the second style. On to the next style. Okay, this is a simple one. I can pull that off. But before we do that one, let me show you the hairstyle that nimekuwa nikifanya normally. Do you see this? The same hairstyle that tulikuwa tumefanya, but now unaona hizi nywele hizi zenye ziko hapa katikati, I just put them to one side and that's the hairstyle. See? And now seriously, on to the next hairstyle. Yeah, Wednesday. All right.
Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
There is the style. I don't like this one. I don't like it. I don't know did I do it wrongly or what's up? But I don't like it. Maybe it doesn't look good on me. But maybe you can try. I don't think I'm gonna take a picture of this one, cause I don't like it. Period. Thursday? Okay. Let's try pull that off.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high.
That's the hairstyle. I like it. I really do like this one. On to the next hairstyle. This one is actually, I think this one is gonna be my best. Although there is one issue. Let me first of all get it done, and then I'm gonna tell you. There is the hairstyle. Looks weird because the hair is not like massive. Zikikuwa mingi, I think next time I'm making some knotless. Some, I don't know, I don't want to spoil it. I won't spoil it for you. But yeah, so yeah, this is the hairstyle. So what I was saying, well, nilikuwa ninashuka nywele. I think this side niliekanga nywele kidogo compared to this side. So ukiangalia kindi utaona this one is more fuller than this one, but it's barely noticeable. But here's the hairstyle. I think next time I'm doing a colored hair. I am sick of this gold because it matches with my skin so much. I want some contrast, you know. Comment down below what colored hair I should do. Next, guys, I'm getting tired. I'm really getting tired. I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but if you want more such videos, comment down below. Alright? And we shall do them. Today I wasn't feeling like shooting too much content. I felt like, I just need something to entertain my people. Not too much. Because editing is another full-time job. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Wink wink. Saturday, I'm not gonna do that one. I think I already did it, but in my own version. Now let's just try it. Hairstyle, so basic but very cutesy. Although guys, I told you I don't like my hair on my left side. I don't know why, so I prefer the hair on my right side. Okay, not bad, but I won't take photos of that. It's so basic. And to the next one, Sunday. Yay, let's do Sunday. This is the most interesting one.
sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
Girl, hii style hata siitoi. Hii ndo nakaa nayo mpaka sijui lini. Kitu yenye tutataka kitu yenye tutabeta ni hizi edges. Mi actually napenda hizi edges zenye zinaingia kwa nywele. Hivyo. Hivyo ndo napenda nywele yangu ikikaa hivyo, that way. See, you can see. Yeah, so that is the final hairstyle. Give it up for Prudence. I am happy, guys. Okay, I don't know if you have a black something, use the black one, don't use this colored one. But yeah, that's it, guys. I have enjoyed this video. I hope so have you. If you wanna try, just rewind the video, and yeah, you're gonna have your, I think those were 8. Were they 8 hairstyles? If you want more, comment down below. Yeah, guys, I love you so much, and I wanna leave you with like a quote to leave you, like niwache na ka quote mko mnanikumbuka. Clarity often comes when you stop trying to see the whole path and start taking the next step. Okay, yeah, like kama unataka, maybe if you want to start like a YouTube channel, don't start at you don't have lighting. You just use natural light. Okay, if you don't have a good camera, just have good audio yako isikike vizuri. Imagine I can watch a video yenye hata sisikii, like naeka tu hapo na ina nafanya vitu zangu, bora nasikia. Okay, yeah, clarity often comes when you stop trying to see the whole path and start taking the next step. Just take the next step. Whatever you want to do, just take the next step. Okay, if it's that business you want to start, just take the next step. Nitawachia hapo. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below the kind of videos that you would want to be seeing more on my channel. I love you so much. Bye bye.